Hey, what's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing well out there. Again, I go by the name of Jason, and I would like to welcome you again to my channel. In this video, I just wanted to show you a demo project that I was working on. Um, I figured that I should just start off the channel with something simple and small. And so basically, this is just a simple login and register system. And without wasting any more time, let me just show you how the app works. So basically, when you first log into the application, you will be landing on the login page. And as you can see that if you don't fill in the required fields, the moment you click on the login page, it's going to give you all the error messages suggesting that you need to fill in the required fields. And if you log in, for example, with the incorrect details, as usual, the system will process the form. And then if you didn't put in the correct user account and details, it'll give you the error message, incorrect username or password. And if you try to log in, maybe let's say with an account that doesn't exist, for example, you will be redirected to another page where it says there are no records of this particular user account. I do realize that I could have done better with the error message here, but yeah, I just wanted to keep it simple and so forth. So if you don't have an account, you either have the option to either register or log in. So if you go back to the login page, and let's say we put in the correct details this time around, you will then be redirected to a dashboard. Now, again, here I kept it simple. I didn't want to complicate it. So all these links that you see here, along with that configuration button there, they are just there for show. You don't do anything and so forth. So I just put them there just to have some volume, just to give the dashboard some volume and so forth. But the main things you would need to take into account is the name and the details of the user who's logged in. So I'm pulling these through sessions, obviously. So basically, that's just the name and the name, the surname, and the the email the user are logged in with. And then over there, it's also going to show you your name and surname. So if we log out, it redirects you back to the login page. Now, I did implement some authorization here. So basically, if you try to access the dashboard again, the system will check that in the background and then redirect you back, notifying you that you need to log in to be able to access that page. So that's about it for the login page. If we move over to the register, um, into the register page, the same principles apply here. If you try to register without filling in the required fields, you'll get all the error messages suggesting that you need to do so. And so we can register an account. Let's just say Susan Adams. And then say Susan at some company.co.za. And as you can see, while I'm filling in those details over there, the error messages go away. And then same goes for the password. If you put in a password and it doesn't match, you will also get an error message saying that whatever password you put in here doesn't match with the one that you currently put in the confirm field. So I'm going to put in the correct one, and then we just accept the terms and the conditions, and then we register. And then if everything goes well, you'll be redirected to the success page. And then you've got the option to go back and log in. So that's just the gist of it. But in any case, the next series of videos that I'm gonna be uploading on this channel, basically, I will be uploading videos where I show you how I went about designing, planning, and building this particular application. And with that being said, the tech stack I used on this particular project, it consists of HTML and CSS, Bootstrap and jQuery on the front end side. And then for the back end, I went with Java EE, utilizing technologies such as Java Server Pages and Servelets. And then for the database, I went with MySQL. So like I said, the next series of videos that I'm going to be uploading, it's basically me just demonstrating on how I went about building this particular project from start to finish. And I'm doing this under the assumption as well that you already know how to work with these with these utilities or these technologies. And if you want to follow along, that's great. If you do learn something from it, that's also great. But if you know nothing about um, these technologies, I would recommend if you can just find something on or some content on YouTube to just learn a little bit about them, and then if you want to come back and just watch how I do it, that's also great. So that's just the gist of it. So again, if you haven't done so already, please like and share and subscribe. And I will see you guys within the next video. Cheers for now.